Hello everyone. I have been talking to many friends and people around me about mental wellness and always been telling why is it so important to be mentally fit rather than being physically fit alone. But maybe people are not understanding its importance, or maybe even if they are understanding its importance, they do not know how to be mentally well. So this is one way or one option that I can give you is talk to people. Talk to somebody who is a good listener. May not be your friend, may not be your family, but talk to somebody who will listen you without judging you, listen to you without giving any comments and without giving any advices at the moment. Okay, because we all have a lot of baggages in our mind, we have a lot of guilts that are within us, which we may not be able to tell our family, our friends, because we feel that everything is going on so well, everything is going on so good. And if we confess something, if we confess our guilt, if we confess how we are feeling, they may judge us and our relationship would go bad. And with that fear, we do not talk to people, we do not talk to our loved ones. So, the best way is to talk to somebody who actually doesn't know you, or talk to somebody whom you feel that if you share something with them, it is not going to impact your personal life or your professional life, and they may not use your guilt, they may not use your discomfort and your secrets against you. They do not weaponize your thoughts, and just you have to talk to people. Now there are professional helps, and they are very good. In fact, they are the best. But we have this taboo in our society where we do not talk to professionals for medical health. We may go to doctors if we have some problem in our kidney, in our liver, in our skin, in our hair, but we do not go to people, we do not go to doctors when we have problem in our mind. But we should all realize that all other problems occur only if your mind is unwell. So, taking the professional help is the best way. But if at all, for some reasons, maybe financial, social, emotional, whatever reasons, if you cannot go for a professional help, talk to somebody. I am one of those. You can talk to me, whoever you are, whichever place you belong to, and whatever guilt, whatever baggages you have on your brain, on your mind. I am there to talk to you, listen to you, and maybe I would advise you something. But otherwise, I am pretty sure that you people are smart enough, intelligent enough, and strong enough to find your own way, find your own path, only by just talking to me or to anybody whom you think will not judge you based on your past. So join hands together in being a good listener, and to the people who are having some trouble, join hands together with me to come out of those baggages. Be free, be mentally free, be psychologically free, and you may be able to love yourself a little better. You may be able to love your family a little better, and you may be able to lead a peaceful life. Thank you very much. See you.